Hey everyone, Random Randy here, and this is just going to be a quick little nitpicks and RedBubble haul. As I have mentioned a few times before, I kind of sort of dabble in designing t-shirts and whatnot, and I have a few Yarny related ones now, and I finally got my hands on one of each of them rather than just my one hoodie that you normally see me wearing. So this is one of the other designs that I have made. It has a heart yarn ball, 2 knitting needles, and it says post-apocalyptic life skill. We'll go through the shirts first because it's quicker and there's only a few of them. And I got another one that says Wake Crochet Slay. This is the medium women's relaxed fit shirt. Because I was looking at the measurements for their fitted one. I really wanted a v-neck. I like the way v-necks look. And their v-neck shirts, they don't make them big enough for me to wear them comfortably. So I kind of feel like I'm wearing a flour sack because it barely fits here and it's very loose through the rest of everything else. It's very open here. It almost is kind of flash dance looking. If I move the right way, it just slides right off my shoulder. Whatever. And the third design that I have is an adorable little cuttlefish. I can actually get it in the part that's focused. And that is coming out a lot lighter than it is. It was supposed to be more red, but it came out kind of pink, so I might have to adjust the color on it. But I really like the way that it looks. And it's more related to my other channel. I have it as part of my logo over there, but I really like the way they turned out. I ended up getting a medium and the relaxed fit t-shirt for all of them because they were 25% off when I ordered them. The shipping was pretty quick. It came earlier than I expected, so I've got all of those. So I don't think I mentioned it, but today is actually Friday the 30th of March and Adam left this morning. I think this will be going up Saturday. I might include it as part of VEDA on Sunday. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do VEDA just because. Yes, you have an orange dinosaur. Look out, baby, please. This is the box that I got from Nitpicks, and it is mostly bear yarn for me to dye. So I'm gonna open this up and show you the bases. And I think there's only one skein of actual sock yarn that I bought that's already colored. All right. Yay. The only time it's okay for me to stab something. Yeah, buddy, stay back because mommy's cutting stuff, okay? Yep. You opened! Yep, mommy opened it. What, sweetie? Yes, I see you. Hi, sweetie. Back up, bud. Alright, so it looks really pathetic, but the only non-bear yarn that I got is this one single little skein of Nitpick Stroll Glimmer in the Scarlet colorway. This is 70% fine superwash merino wool, 25% nylon, 5% stellina. This is 231 yards. I thought that this would be good for using on toes and heels and socks, and I'm going to put that with all of my other corresponding red and black sock yarn, which I unfortunately have yet to get to touch. Once I finish up the witchy pair of socks that I'm working on right now, I will be diving into that. I ended up getting 4 different bases. I got 20 of each. I'm planning on doing probably 4 hanks of each one. That way I'll have 5 different colorways in each base. So I've got Stroll Glimmer, which is fingering weight. It's the same as the red one without the dye added to it, but this is a full 100-gram hank and it's 463 yards. So I have 40 of these, and this, just like the red one, which I'll show you again so I don't have to take these out of the package. Has the stellina in it, so it's a sparkle sock base. It's fingering weight yarn, so it's going to be like this but with different colors. That stay, yes. So there's those. They come in packs of 10, so it looks like more than it actually is, but there's 20 of each. So because I know that some people aren't big on animal fibers, I got some worsted weight cotton to dye up. These are 100-gram hanks, and they are Peruvian apparently, but this is 100% organic cotton, 164 yards, and these are 100-gram balls. And this one's actually ripped open, so I can show you. It's kind of an off-white color, but it's very soft for being cotton. This feels a lot like I Love This Cotton from Hobby Lobby. So I've got 20 of those as well. Get them all out of the way. I also got 20 of the Knit Picks Stroll Sport. And sport weight yarn is supposed to be a 2 as opposed to the 1 of most sock yarns, and looking at it, it's about twice as thick as a sock yarn. So this is thicker than the average sock yarn, but it is thinner than a DK weight yarn. I was hoping for some DK, but when I went to order, they were out of stock of all of their DK Bear yarns in the bulk packaging, so I didn't get that. So there's 40 of those, or not 40, 20 of those. And the last one I got is also some worsted weight. This is the Felici worsted yarn. Let me see if there's any that have the stuff where I can see it. It's 75% superwash merino wool, 25% nylon, 218 yards, and these are 100-gram balls. So it'll be interesting to dye some worsted weight yarn, as I have never done that before. But I know that not everybody likes to work with itty bitty yarns, and I would like to dye up some stuff that has a use other than just socks and shawls. I mean, yeah, I know you can make anything with fine weight yarns, but it takes so long. So long. I don't want to spend that much time on a lot of things. So the cotton will be neat, so it'll be good for apparel or things like washcloths and such. Pretty cool. Excited about that. Excited about my shirts. Not sure if I'm excited about the fit or not, but whatever. Good enough. Now I have one of each of the designs that I have at current, and that's actually one of my goals, is to get some more designs done and up there so that people can get it on pretty much anything. Oh man. And there's one more thing that I wanted to mention, which is pretty cool, which I actually found through another author on YouTube who just recently hit the 100K subscriber mark, which is pretty awesome for her. But it is a service called Skillshare, which is an online class academy type deal. There are classes for tons and tons of different things. There's over 19,000 classes. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but if you use my sign up link below, you get 2 months for free, and I get a free month if you sign up, and you can cancel it before the payment period. I got 2 months for 99 cents total through her sign up link, which is pretty awesome. So if you're interested, they have crochet classes, they have knitting classes, they have self-help classes, they have marketing, business, coding. They also have fine art things like painting, drawing, things of that nature. So if that's anything you're interested in, check out the link below. If not, disregard. totally cool. Like I said, I don't get any money off of it, but if you do sign up through my link, I get a free month for each person who signs up. So, found a bunch of writing ones that I really like. Found a few knitting ones that I have added to my list of things to check out. Anyway, so that's what I've got for this little haul that isn't super exciting right now because all of the yarn is naked at current, but it will be super awesome once I get to dye it. So in line with that, I'm gonna pop up some pictures of the yarns that I have dyed so far, and if there are any of those colorways that you are interested in, I can replicate those for the most part. A few of the tonals won't be exactly the same, but honestly, any hand-dyed yarn is never 100% the same, just due to the nature of the way that it's made. But if there are any of those colorways that you enjoy, that you would like, let me know and I can dye some of them up and get them up in my shop. I do still have some things available in my shop, as I said in Yarn Talk, which you will have seen by the time this is up, but I haven't actually edited and uploaded it yet because it's Friday right now. Like I said, Adam just left, so we're all kind of trying to adjust. Adjusting! It usually takes us about a week to get back into the swing of life in general, the way that it should be. But anyway. So I have the rest of my hawthorn berry yarn that I dyed that will be going up in the Etsy shop sometime this weekend, probably tomorrow, and like I said, 99% on doing VEDA, which is vlog or video every day in April, and I will probably film stuff for that tomorrow that will then go up Sunday because Sunday is Easter, and even though we're not religious, I did get some stuff for the kids, mostly toys. I tried to go kind of light on the candy. Yeah. So if you celebrate Easter, hope you have an awesome day. Hope you have lots of really good food with friends, family, or yourself if that's your bag. And I will catch all of you guys in the next video. So until then, take care of yourselves and happy stitching. Bye.